Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. In today's tutorial, I will be showing bold cut crease party look. I have already done with my CTM and I have also prepped my skin, then I have applied primer. The products which I have used here will be mentioned in my description box. Once that is applied properly on my skin, I am using Swiss Beauty Orange. Now I am using a beauty blender to blend it nicely. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 103, which is an exact match for my skin tone. And this concealer is not extremely matte. I am applying where I want to highlight my face. Now for the base, I am applying Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation and I am using a foundation brush to blend it. Is brush will absorb less product than the blender. According to me, both work amazingly. Using Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact Powder. Not applying on my upper eyelids because that will help me to blend my eyeshadow perfectly. I am using a spoolie brush to shape my brows. Then I am using Wet n Wild Brow Kit to define my eyebrows. Starting my eyeshadow by taking a peachy shade and applying it on outer corner of my eyes till inner corner of my eyes. Then I have shade on outer corner and have blended perfectly. I am taking more amount of brown to make it intense. Now I am cut creasing it and giving it a wing shape. Then I am using a flat brush to blend it properly. Then I am taking purple eyeshadow on outer corner of my eyes and blending it very nicely. Pressed glitter in the shade Golden. I am using a painting brush to apply it in the size 00. Guys, this brush is available at any stationery shops. You have using this brush. Process for my another eye, so you guys can get accurate idea to do on your another eye. I am applying the same peach shade on my lower lash line. For the eyeliner, I am using Lakme liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. Here I am doing a winged eyeliner to enhance my eye makeup. Using Wet n Wild white kajal on my lower waterline. I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. I am using highlighter first, then the contour and then followed by blush. For highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter. Wild powder contour. A lip crayon in the shade Twilight Dream 13. Look, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching this video.